Well, on a day of controversial remarks by politicians, there's a shocker coming from Uttar Pradesh too. Samajwadi Party MLA from Hamirpur has now blamed women for rapes. What's worse, he made the comment while addressing a women's conference where State Women and Child Development Minister and State Women's Commission President were also present. Let's listen in.
आज कितना दुष्कर्म हो रहा है पूरे समाज में हाहाकार मचा है प्रेस मीडिया में प्रेस तो कोई सरकार है ठीक नहीं कर सकता कोई सरकार नहीं ठीक कर सकती है जब तक समाज ठीक नहीं होगा और उसमें कोई कहे कि महिलाओं का दोष कम है तो महिलाओं का दोष कम नहीं महिलाओं का दोष ज्यादा है। मैं ये देखता हूँ कि सबसे ज्यादा जो धार्मिक महिलाएं हैं जिसको लोग धर्म मानते हैं ऐसे लोग आस्था रखते हैं उन्हीं के साथ जो है सबसे ज्यादा ये घटनाएं घटती हैं। भाई हम देखते हैं महिलाएं जो है बच्चा बिलक रहा है बेटियां बिलक रही हैं भाग चली जाती हैं देवी देवताओं के चक्कर में।
No, why should I be defending it? If something should be condemned, then I'll be condemning it. Such remarks should not be made irrespective of any party leader. So I would only say that I condemn this remark, and this is definitely not the party line. This is not something which the government can endorse, and I have not heard the statement, but I'll look into the statement, and the government would also take cognizance of it. The party will take cognizance of it.
Well, it's definitely a welcome move, Gaurav, that you condemn the remark that's been made by your MLA, but will the buck really stop at a mere condemnation, or is the party deliberating action against him?
No, I cannot offhand tell you what would be done, but I'm telling you if what I have been told, that he said that women are responsible for rapes, as I can see it on your screen, then such remarks should not be made and they should be condemned. And after seeing the entire recording, I assure you that appropriate action would be taken by the party.
But Gaurav Bhatia, it appears that the Samajwadi Party is a repeat offender. Not very long ago, your party Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav had, had again talked about rape and had said that, boys often tend to make mistakes. So clearly, this appears to be a trend within the Samajwadi Party. And if your party Supremo is guilty of making such statements, it's obviously set the wrong precedent for your other legislative members.
No, first of all, I think your facts are not right, because the statement that Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav had made was in connection to capital punishment being given for all the accused persons who commit the offence of rape. And after a notice was served to him, a reply was sent to the National Commission for Women, which found the reply to be satisfactory. Now, you can't sit over judgment over the decision of National Commission for Women, first of all. And secondly, it has to be seen in the context in which it was said. So words like guilty of making such comments would not be correct. And secondly, I think time and again after that comment, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav himself clarified and said that he is for strict action against any person who commits such heinous crimes. I think that makes his comment clear, that makes the party stand clear. And please don't just blame Samajwadi Party. I think in every party, there are good politicians and there are aberrations done by politicians, and it happens in BJP, it happens in PSP, it happens in Congress. Nobody can justify such statements irrespective of the party position.
Well, interesting comments there coming in by Gaurav Bhatia, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. He said that what the MLA has said is not the party line. He's come out and condemned the statement that has been made. Whether or not action will be taken or whether the buck will really stop at just another condemnation yet again is of course a question that remains to be answered. Appreciate you speaking with Headlines today.